your chickens are not eating well, if your poultry birds, both chicken, turkey, any feather birds are not eating well, it means something is wrong with them. But there are solutions. You can increase their feed intake, and which can at the same time increase their feed conversion ratio and growth and weight. If they don't eat well, they can't grow well, and if they don't eat well, there is nothing they can convert. So they need to eat feed for them to grow. So if they are finding it difficult to eat, it means you need something for them to eat well. So don't rejoice that your chicken or poultry are not eating well. In this particular video, I want to give you 12 ways to increase feed intake in poultry for faster growth. Number 1, please provide fresh, high quality feed for them. Always ensure feed is fresh and free from mold or contamination. This is number 1. Number 2, maintain proper feed texture. Use the right feed texture for them. If you are adjusting the texture of the feed, please, you need to mix it with the former texture they are using before you now go completely. If not, they will find it difficult to adapt to the new feed. Number 3, ensure clean fresh water supply. Dehydration reduces feed intake, so always provide fresh water throughout the operation, throughout their day. Always make sure they have steady and regular neat water. Always. Optimize light schedule. Lighting is very important. Make sure they have light always, especially at night. Whenever the chickens see light, they will always eat. So if you deny them light at night, they will not eat, and this will affect their growth rate. Use palatable feed ingredients. Include tasty and digestible ingredients like maize, fish meal, and soya bean meal in their feed. Keep feeders clean and properly positioned. Dirty or inaccessible feeders discourage feeding. Most farmers put the feeder on a high side, so the birds will find it difficult to eat. If the feeder is placed on a higher side, they may find it difficult to eat, and if it's on the lower side, they may also find it difficult to eat, because most of them find it difficult to bend down to eat. So make sure the feeder is at the shoulder level of that particular chicken or that particular set of birds. Supplement with organic boosters. I always tell you about our organic booster. This is Eco Bio Boost. It is a liquid for boosting your poultry birds, both their heads and their growth. Both for laying birds, broilers, noilers, any particular poultry can take this. Any livestock can take this. It's a liquid form. I always tell you about it. Move it. Supplement with organic growth booster. Natural supplement like garlic, ginger, moringa, and probiotics improve appetite and at the same time improve feed conversion ratio. Monitor and adjust feed formula. Ensure a balanced diet with the right protein, energy, vitamins, and minerals. Everything that is required, all the nutrients that is required in the feed should be available. If not, they will not eat well. Reduce heat stress. During hot period, hot environment reduces or lowers their appetite. So provide ventilation, cooling, or electrolyte supplement for them. Most especially organic supplement is good for them. Please follow a consistent feeding schedule. Make sure you feed them at the appropriate time. Don't be shifting from time to time. Make sure you keep a feeding schedule. If it is 6 o'clock in the evening, give them food at 6 o'clock. In the morning, feed them at that same time. If you change, it will affect them. Limit feed wastage. Adjust feeder height to reduce spillage and ensure birds eat properly. This is what you need to do for you to get the best result. Please, if this video blesses you, please give it a thumb up, share this video to reach more farmers, and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet.